The Exploring Off the Grid trucks are fully equipped with airbag suspension to tackle just about any terrain. So Rick and the boys from ATW dropped into Airbag Man HQ to find out more about this great Australian company and their awesome gear.
Hey guys, welcome. Welcome to HQ.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it's always good seeing
this
that.
Guy, hey?
Yeah.
Come on in, we'll sign you in and show you around.
Sounds great.
Season 2 of Exploring Off the Grid is back on Channel 10 January 2025 with brand new adventures, epic destinations and awesome gear. It's going to be an absolute ripper. Richard and Karen Clamp started Airbag Man from their Brisbane home nearly 30 years ago. Benny Clamp was recently appointed General Manager and he's now looking forward to what the future will bring for this great Australian company.
Hello, here he is.
Speak of the devil.
Mate, welcome. How are you? Thanks, mate. See you all. Ready for a tour?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's do it.
Yeah, it definitely looks high tech and well set out. So yeah, keen to go and check it out.
Let's head this way.
This looks like a bit of dispatch, mate, is it?
Yeah, so we've got dispatch. Usually we're doing like, I don't know, 600 orders out the door a day. So yeah, all finished product goes out here, all the way along this wall. We have all of our production, so yeah, they'll assemble all the kits, pick and pack, and then they fit all of the finished product through the rollers.
And then everything's barcoded with its position and shelf, I imagine. Yeah.
Yeah, and we've got some cycle, through the product, which is good.
Yep. Yeah. So if there's one big order from one of your dealers, it might be a Hilux kit, a Cruiser kit, an MPS kit. Yep. It'll go bay number 1, bay number 2.
Yep.
Yeah, right, that's impressive.
Yeah, all in order.
How many staff you got, Benny?
About 40.
40 staff, yeah.
Yeah, and it's going really well.
Yep. Yeah.
Since last time I was here, Ben, I don't think this part was here.
Yeah, we've got more racking in. A few months ago we were at 100% capacity with racking, so we had no more room left.
The site now houses approximately 3,000 square metres of warehouse space, plus around another 600 of office space.
Yeah, then we do more in-depth assembly over this side.
Hey Mark.
G'day.
Rick. Mark, how are you, mate?
Hey Mark, how are you, mate?
Kit man.
Yeah. Did you see the, I think there was 10 kits on the ground down there, so they're getting shipped out, and the guys made another 14 yesterday to make up for what goes out, so yeah.
Yeah, MPS kits?
Yes,
MPS kits.
All MPS kits.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're the easiest kit out of all of them to fit as well.
Yeah, okay.
Because all your holes are pre-drilled.
Yeah, I noticed our shelf back there is pretty bare at the moment, so there might be a few coming
I reckon
up for us,
that'll
I
be
think.
Coming your way.
Yeah.
And for anyone that doesn't realise, Mark's got an MPS as well.
Yes, I've actually got the original Hero Trucks body on my truck.
Right,
so
yeah,
cool setup. Done a few mods since then. It's great.
Going well?
Oh, love it,
Yeah.
mate.
Yeah, that's good to hear.
Yeah. More and more popular everywhere I go. I see them. Yeah, so.
It's just exploded. All thanks to these guys.
Yeah. Cool.
All right, we'll let you back to
Good
it.
to see ya.
Thanks Mark.
Yeah. So yeah, we've got we do all caravan panels, we do lift axle boxes for heavy vehicles, full lift axle.
Cool.
Yeah.
All assembled here.
Yeah.
Besides the four-wheel drive industry, Airbag Man supply airbags and air suspension components for heavy vehicles, caravans, the military, agriculture, mining, manufacturing and more. That's more than 1,200 vehicle-specific kits available and growing.
Did you want to come and see the workshop?
Absolutely,
as well?
mate. Yeah, love
awesome. A lot of the time we 3D print to test fit, and that's where the hoist comes into play. And
one thing we do differently that not a lot of other people see is that all of our kits are vehicle specific, and so every new model that comes, we do make sure that we've got a kit that fits that exact model. And even if from the outside, the chassis is the same, the body looks the same, they might move the exhaust into a different spot, or they decide to flip one thing from this side to the other, and all of a sudden you've got another component that's too close to where the bag needs to go. And so they're the kinds of things that we're looking at before a kit even gets listed as available for sale.
Cool.
Dot your I's and cross your T's.
Yep.
That's it.
We'll show you the marketing and R&D office.
This is where all the real magic happens, eh?
That's right. So this is the unofficial creative hub of the enterprise, where all of our tech, R&D and marketing happens. So this is Matt, one of our design engineers. So Matt's one of the key resources that does all of the CAD drawings, the 3D printing, the test fitting.
Yeah, so
3D printed one,
yeah, the parts I've been working on. Just working out what's better, a folded part or a welded part.
Yeah.
Get on a vehicle, test fit it, decide what's the best. We can do one of those a day as opposed to having to do drawings, get them down to a metal shop, lazy cut. Yeah.
And then Ree was saying like everything's vehicle specific, so I imagine you got a bill of materials for everything that goes into it, so the bracket, the fittings, the airline, all the bits that go with it. So it's a complete kit.
Yeah, like with your MPS trucks you put on, or bags and stuff you put on your trucks.
Yeah.
It's all vehicle specific. We spend the time nutting out all the specific fastener lengths and whatnot you'd need to suit the vehicle. Design brackets to suit the vehicle and then package it all up and send it away. So it's open it up, scan the QR code, get the instructions and bolt it all up.
Yeah, it's certainly a handy process for us just to pull it out of the bag and have that ability to bolt in over our parabolic spring, and yeah, it works well.
While you guys are up here, I've got something I really quickly want to show you. So this here is one of the first working prototypes we ever had of the Firestone wireless app control system that Chris and Nick, you guys are running on the ATW truck. So when we first got the product in, we did all of our testing, and then when it was ready to go to market, we built a display. This is how we launched the product to market, and it's literally like a mini scale version of what you're running on big trucks.
Yeah, it was certainly handy just to bring up that app and set the preset modes. So we've had it for like set as a tow mode and then a non-tow mode. So just having those two presets was handy, and then the ability to go up and down as well.
And you guys run rooftop tents as well, so on-site leveling once you pull up at camp. And
yeah, definitely. Yeah, and being a crew cab too, it is quite heavy on the rear with all the weight, and then toy hauler or a caravan or whatever you put on that ball weight, the auto adjust and the auto preset was a good option, definitely.
Yeah, cool thing about that is we can utilise it at our shows and it's fully operational, so it'll fully adjust heights and everything.
You guys do most full drive shows around Australia?
We, are pretty active in supporting our dealer network, which is quite vast around Australia.
Yeah, well, the three of us were in SEMA last year over in Las Vegas and visited the Airbag Man store there. You're in quite a few international markets now too, aren't you?
Yeah, global. It's pretty awesome. It's growing.
Yeah, that's good.
We just recently had one of our dealers over in Saudi Arabia exhibit our products. Yeah, having desert-equipped four-wheel drives and equipment is, big business.
Airbag Man export to more than 30 countries. Their products are distributed across Australasia, Europe, the Middle East and America.
It's amazing once you're in it and you see how many different avenues there are for something as humble as a little airbag, and just the opportunities that it opens up. For us as Aussies, it's, we instantly think beach and, the adventure side and full driving and all that kind of stuff, but we get posts on social media of customers tagging our products and they're in Iceland and it's snow and dealing with completely different sets of conditions and issues and troubleshooting different things. So it's fascinating.
Airbag Man have been pioneering the air suspension industry for 3 decades. To find out more, visit the Airbag Man website or check out Exploring Off the Grid to see their gear in action.